Welcome to downtown Los Angeles. If you're thinking about doing a staycation in LA and you enjoy a little urban chaos mixed with dramatic skyline views, Conrad in downtown LA is a great place to try. The hotel sits right in the heart of the city's cultural district, directly across from the iconic Walt Disney Concert Hall, and the architecture alone makes it impossible to miss. It was designed by legendary architect Frank Gehry, the creative mind behind some of the world's most recognizable buildings, including the Guggenheim Museum in Bilbao, the Louis Vuitton Foundation in Paris, and the famous Dancing House in Prague. Inside the hotel, the atmosphere immediately shifts from the dramatic architecture outside to something much warmer and calmer. The design focuses on natural materials like warm wood, soft stone, and textured fabrics. For this stay, I booked one of their penthouse suites, which has elevated views of downtown and a level of space and privacy that you rarely find in a city hotel. It sits high in the tower on the 24th floor and spans roughly 1,625 square feet, with sweeping views over Grand Avenue and the Cultural District. The living room is zoned into two areas, a lounge space with oversized sofa and sculptural chairs, and a dining section with a 6-seat dining table, almost like a private entertaining space. The terrace is arguably the most spectacular part of the penthouse. It's surprisingly large, more like a small rooftop lounge than a hotel balcony. It wraps all around the suite, giving you the full panoramic view of downtown and creating a space that feels perfect for sunset cocktails or late-night views of the city lights. The Conrad Penthouse Suite is designed to feel less like a hotel room and more like a private modern residence, spacious and super elegant. The hotel's pool is located on the rooftop around the 10th floor and opens as early as 5 a.m., which is great if you like starting your day with a quiet swim or you're in town for a short trip and want to enjoy the space before heading out for the day. The pool has a really clean, modern look to it. The shape is sleek and the water is so still it almost looks like a mirror. And since the pool is heated, it feels comfortable no matter what time you come. Now we are moving on to my favorite part of the hotel experience, the spa. Conrad's spa is surprisingly high-tech and focused on wellness innovation. Beyond traditional treatments like massages and facials, the spa incorporates modern wellness technology, including infrared sauna therapy, recovery cabins, and advanced wellness equipment. It's one of the more sophisticated hotel spas in downtown and feels like a true wellness retreat within the city. Food is another major highlight of Conrad. The hotel features several restaurants and bars created by renowned chef José Andrés. Their flagship restaurant is San Laurel, offering a refined menu inspired by Spanish cuisine. Dishes are beautifully plated and designed for sharing, making it a great dinner spot whether you're staying at the hotel or just visiting for the evening. You can also have food delivered straight to your penthouse and set up right on your terrace, which honestly takes the whole experience to another level. For travelers looking for a modern luxury hotel in downtown, especially one deeply connected to the city's cultural and architectural scene, the Conrad is easily one of the most impressive options.